Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to share the 5 most paying niches in 2024. Previously I said as a new YouTuber you don't need a niche. Yes, I said so, but after hitting the threshold monetization, the monetizational threshold, you can decide whether to settle for a particular niche or to post randomly or to go into more than two niches. It doesn't matter. Okay, what matters is your content and your quality of your content you're passing, provided that you follow the YouTube rules and guidelines. You're good to go. It doesn't matter the amount of niches you want to go into. But for those of you that want to settle down for a particular niche, I just have these 5 top paying niches for you. If you want to earn high, if you want to earn good CPM. The number one on my list is the investment niche, which is all about money management, investment, cryptocurrency, how to invest, how to trade. This particular niche earns nothing less than $2,000 to $6,000 per 1,000 subscribers, and its CPM for this particular niche is $39 for the CPM. The number 2 most paying niche in 2024 is digital marketing. Digital marketing is a niche that has gotten global within this period of time on YouTube. Digital marketing comprises of the social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, mobile device marketing. And its average earning in digital marketing is $1,500 to $5,000 per 1,000 subscribers. And the CPM in this niche is $29 for the CPM. What a nice way to earn on YouTube. The third niche on my list is the educational niche. The educational niche comprises of the educational content such as the online courses, video tutorials, webinars, lectures, explanatory videos. Also, educational content can cover various subjects such as math, science, history, with an average earning of $1,200 to $4,000 per 1,000 subscribers, with a CPM of $12.7 for the educational content, educational niche. Very, very interesting, unlike other niches. Okay, the fourth niche on my list is a technology niche. The technology niche is all about review, tutorials, and news about gadgets, software, and emerging technology. And the average earning in technology niche is $1,000 to $3,500 per 1,000 subscribers, and the RPM is $11.9 for the RPM in technology. What a nice way to earn from technology niche. And the last but not the least is the health and fitness niche. The health and fitness niche comprises of the fitness, nutritional value, mental illness, and self-care content. And the average earn for this particular niche is $1,000 to $3,000 per 1,000 subscribers, and the CPM is $9.7. They are different from the educational, finance, and the investment. All are not the same. So if you're picking a particular niche after monetization, you can just consider these 5 different most paying niches. Okay, if you find this video interesting, I just want you to like and subscribe. That is the only way you can support me to do more. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.